I was saying, go over here. Come. You think I'm your mommy? You trying to get food out of my mouth? I have some seeds and berries and oatmeal for you later. Come around this. You want to go to sleep with Daddy? You're adopted, Daddy? You want to go to bed? We rescued them and they're going off to a farm sanctuary in a couple of days. I'm going to have to say goodbye to my babies, but it's best for them. Look up a factory farm video like meatvideo.com or Farm to Fridge on YouTube and meat.org. Birds and fish are the most abused lives on earth. Most people eat dozens of birds per year, nearly all from factory farms, eggs, and poultry. And fish, massive super trawler nets rape oceans. Watch Seaspiracy. Again, Seaspiracy. And simply leave animals alone and go vegan. Vegan is the future. And I am Birdman, Vegan Future. You want to say goodbye, guys? Let's get a couple close-ups.
Cuties.
Look at the camera.